This video is for the Google Slides version of assignment 4, Transitions, Music, and Publish. First, you should have your slideshow open. You're going to click on Transition up at the top, and then you're going to click on the object that you want to animate. Click on Select an Object to Animate, and then click where it says Fade In, and choose an animation. And then what you want to do is change where it says on click, and if you want it to happen at the same time as another animation, click with previous. If you want it to happen one at a time, click after previous. So for example, I'm going to click after previous because I don't want my two things to fly in at the same time. So for example, I can just click on my text box now, click on select an object to animate, and I'm going to do a different animation, and we'll do that after previous. And then we can hit play to preview it. So here it is, and that's what it's going to look like. And then click on stop. So what you want to do is add animations throughout. So continue with all of your slides. You're also going to add transitions. So again, for all of your slides. To do that, you click where it says slide, no transition. And you're going to click the drop down arrow and choose a transition. And you don't want to apply to all slides necessarily because you want to have different transitions for each of your slides. So again, if we hit play, we can see what it looks like now with the transition, animations, and just hit stop. So then what we're going to do is we're going to add music. So we're going to open up a new tab. And you're just going to search for a song on YouTube. So it can be any song as long as you keep it clean. And then what you're going to do is you'll find it on YouTube. And you're going to click to highlight the URL and then hit Control-C on your keyboard. From here, what you're going to do is open up a new tab, and you're going to Google search loop YouTube video, and then click on the first link that appears. And from here, what you're going to do is you're going to click in the search bar and then hit Control-V on your keyboard to paste the URL. Click on search. And then what you're going to do is click to highlight the URL. So click to highlight the URL and then hit Control-C on your keyboard. Go back to your guide, and what you want to do is click back over to slide 1. Click on the text box button, and you're just going to add a little text box down at the bottom of your title slide. And you're going to say something like, click here for music. And then what you're going to do is, you're going to click and drag to highlight where you typed click here for music, and then you're going to click on the link button, which looks like a little chain, and then you're going to paste the link by hitting Control-V on your keyboard and click apply. Next, what we're going to do is publish your work. So you're going to click on the file menu and then publish to the web. And you can choose, click on the drop down arrow to choose how fast you want your slides to transition. So for example, I'm just going to say every 3 seconds. And then you're going to click the 2 check boxes underneath and then click on the publish button. From here, you're going to click on where it says OK up at the top of the screen. And then it's going to have a highlighted URL, and you're just going to hit Control-C on your keyboard to copy it. And then what you're going to do is open up a new tab, click on Mail, and you're going to compose an email to Mrs. Foley with the link to your published presentation. So you'll click on Compose, and then send to efoley@hanoverschools.org. Make sure that you put in whose video it is, and then underneath, what you're going to do is just paste the URL. So click underneath, hit Control-V on your keyboard, and hit send. And that's it.